Morning, Kasuwaw boy. Very nice morning, guys. Tingnan nyo. So, ayan. So, update lang, guys. Kumusta naman kayong lahat dyan? So, obviously, naglalakad ako kasi this year, 2025, I'm really, para bang gusto ko talaga na to be a little bit more active. Yan. So, I'm trying my best. So, the last, weeks maybe, ayan, nag-ano na talaga ako. Getting some fresh air, walking outside, kahit malamig. Pero today, guys, hindi masyado malamig. So, trying to be active, trying to get a lot more fresh air, trying to do more. Hindi palagi na lang nag-uupo sa bahay. Kasi, guys, if you have followed me, our business is, saan ako? Dito na lang tayo. Yung business pala namin is closed kasi winter season. So, it's more or less dead. So, not like dead. It's almost February. So, ayan. Close kami for the meantime. Ayan. Pero meron kaming a few rooms open in the next couple of weeks kasi nakabook na sila before. So, pero ano lang, mag-close na naman kami. So talagang fully open for March. So, ayan. I've been walking almost an hour each day. So, which is good. I feel good about it. Diba? It's malamig yung weather ba. So, kailangan talaga na just to get out and get some fresh air. So, yan guys, close kami. So, we are actually doing some work in the business. I will show you mamaya. So, I'm walking around. I'm actually here now. Dala ako sa shop. Tapos meron akong bilhin. Tapos mag-coffee ako. Parang lunch lang ng ano. So, ayan guys. So, I will just show you later kung anong nagawa namin for the last month na. We've been busy doing some decorating. Malapit na ako sa shop. So, here is guys. Ito pala yan. Oh, ito siya. This is a new color guys. Ayan. Para siyang mushroom color. Kasi noon it was just white. Pataas white yan. So, yung asawa ko, he painted that one all the way up to the top guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Hanggang doon sa top floor. So, ayan siya. Mas maganda na yung kulay niya. Very attractive siya. Tapos, we put some books. Ayan. Diba? So, and then, naglagay na rin kami ng more pictures. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Para siyang, ano na, it's a bit more cozy. Tapos, more attractive na rin, diba? Kasi noon, merong pictures, pero it was only 2 pictures and it wasn't a nice one. But now, it's better now, guys. So, ayan siya. So, let's carry on dito sa taas. Meron pang mga gamit dyan, guys. But, just ignore that. I'll just show you the pictures, guys. At ito ang pinaka-the best. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. O, diba? Kasi noon, ayan, much better na. Kasi, yun nga, before it was just white. So, white dyan, pero dyan is yung mushroom color. So, it makes a difference, guys. Tingnan nyo yung difference. Diba? It really brings the wall out, diba? So, guys. Ayan. So, ito din. This one. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Can you see the difference, guys? Diba? Meron siyang kulay. Dyan, wala. So, noon nga, it was just white. Pero much better na kasi meron na siyang kulay. Tapos, that's a new picture. Tapos yan, it's new as well. So, very, very good, guys. Yung asawa ko talaga, very creative. So, ayan, guys. So, at saka, we put a chandelier, para siyang mini chandelier. Ayan. Kasi noon, there was no light, so it was so dark, no? And then, pataas. Let's go up to the next floor. This one is also new there. We put that one, guys. Aayusin pa yan, pero at least, meron ng something dyan. More books. And then, we might put like a flower vase here. Dito. Kasi merong window dyan, oh. So, this is the next floor, guys, which is lots of pictures again. Yun, diba? At saka ito din, it was painted again. So, mas ano talaga siya, mas attractive na. So, ayan yung, yung chandelier. O, diba, makikita nyo na yung pictures. Kasi nga, before, it was only 1 or 2 pictures, pero now, it's much better. Very nice, purple chairs. Hindi pa siya ayos yung room, but we're getting there. So, ayan guys. And new pictures din, new chairs, purple. Tapos, tingnan yung twin beds. O, diba? Ayan, very nice indeed. Maganda kasi merong window. Tapos, yung wallpaper na yan, guys, that's new. So, diba? Very attractive na. Kasi before, it was just plain white. So, di ba? It makes a difference. Oh, yan yung twin room namin. Hindi pa talaga, finish. Pero, we are just slowly doing it up. So, ayan. Yun yung twin room. And then, dito naman tayo sa, ito yung isang namin, suite. Na meron siyang lounge area. So, ito yung top floor na suite namin, guys. King bed yan. So, naglagay kami ng picture dyan. And then, we also put some pictures there as well. Tapos, ito, it's like a very light pink. Hindi nyo siya makikita, pero it was painted by hubby, of course. So, teka lang. Ayan, diba? Pink na pink yan. Just to add color. Ayan, diba? Parang medyo makikita nyo ba? Yung kaibahan ng color dyan, dyan. So, that's been painted up to here. And then, ito yung lounge area. Diba, guys? Very nice. Yun nga. So, yung paint nga is still pink, this one, all the way through. So, si Bana, he was so busy doing it all up. So, it's very nice, guys, diba? Ayan. Meron din siyang window dyan. So, yeah. So, guys, so we are really getting there. I think it's only 1 or 2 rooms to do. Hindi ko lang ipapakita sa iba kasi medyo makalat pa. Pero we have done new stuff in the room. Sa wall, tapos na rin. Pero makalat pa siya. But that room that I showed you was similar. But the ones downstairs, different din yung color schemes. Pero, yun nga, is looking much better talaga, guys. Ayan, tatapusin ko na yung vlog, guys, kasi kukunin pa namin si Sam from school, tapos mag-grocery kasi wala na kaming makakain. So, ayan, guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and then I hope to see you next time to do some more what's going on and updates sa aming business. And thank you for watching, so I hope to see you soon. Bye!